This is Coconut Grove, one of Miami's most established and character-filled neighborhoods, where classic charm blends effortlessly with a new generation of modern design. Behind me stands a home that approaches luxury in a completely different way. Instead of spreading out horizontally, this property embraces vertical living, stacking its spaces across multiple levels and culminating in a stunning rooftop terrace with incredible views stretching across Brickell, Coconut Grove, and Biscayne Bay. It's not just a home, it's a lifestyle experience that feels carefully designed for how people actually want to live. As you step outside in the morning, it's easy to imagine yourself enjoying a quiet breakfast surrounded by nature. Soft sunlight filters through the trees, creating a calm and peaceful atmosphere. The outdoor space connects beautifully, with stepping stones getting you between the pool and the built-in hot tub, making everything feel fluid and accessible. And then there's the rooftop terrace, offering a full 360-degree panorama that truly elevates the entire living experience. The home sits on a tree-lined street, perfectly capturing the walkable, European-inspired lifestyle that Coconut Grove is known for. From here, you can stroll to nearby cafes, walk down to the waterfront, or take a short drive into the vibrant energy of Brickell or the heart of the Grove. The exterior design is modern yet warm, featuring a subtropical aesthetic with a central driveway that provides covered parking for multiple vehicles. With 3 levels of living space, this brand new property has been thoughtfully designed to maximize every inch of its lot. As you approach the entrance, you're surrounded by lush greenery that instantly reminds you of the tropical setting. The landscaping is mature and beautifully lit, creating a welcoming atmosphere both day and night. There's even an elevator connecting all 3 levels, adding convenience to the home's modern design. Stepping through the oversized pivot door, you're greeted by an abundance of natural light. The entrance is positioned for privacy, ensuring that your home remains a peaceful retreat away from the street. Inside, the layout flows effortlessly between spaces. The home offers the comfort and functionality of a traditional house while also capturing the elevated feel of a penthouse, especially with its terraces and views. The dining area is perfectly proportioned, offering space for gatherings while being surrounded by natural light and greenery. A skylight-style ceiling design enhances the openness, bringing the outside in and creating a bright, inviting environment. Moving into the living area, the design continues to impress with its clean lines and thoughtful details. Large windows allow sunlight to pour in, while subtle lighting highlights artwork and architectural features. The space is designed for both relaxation and entertainment, with the flexibility to create separate zones for different activities while still maintaining a connected feel. Stepping out onto one of the terraces, you immediately notice how seamlessly the indoor and outdoor spaces blend together. This home truly excels at creating connections between different areas, making it easy to enjoy the outdoors at any time of day. Whether it's a quiet morning coffee or an evening gathering, these spaces feel like natural extensions of the interior. Back inside, an additional living area provides even more flexibility, making it ideal for families or guests. The kitchen sits at the heart of the home, featuring a large island, high-end finishes, and a sleek, minimalist design. Everything is thoughtfully integrated, from the hidden cabinetry to the advanced home automation system that allows you to control lighting and more with ease. The kitchen is both functional and stylish, designed for everything from casual meals to entertaining guests. The home also includes a well-equipped pantry, offering additional storage and practicality, especially for those who like to keep things organized or prepare for longer stays. Nearby, you'll find a guest bedroom with its own ensuite, providing comfort and privacy for visitors. There's also a dedicated office space, filled with natural light and designed to inspire productivity, though it can easily be converted into another bedroom if needed. Upstairs, the primary suite occupies an entire section of the home, offering a private retreat with its own terraces and beautiful views. The room is spacious and thoughtfully designed, with plenty of natural light and a seamless connection to the outdoors. The ensuite bathroom is equally impressive, featuring dual sinks, a freestanding tub, and a large walk-in shower with a skylight that brings in soft, natural light while maintaining privacy. Every detail has been carefully considered to create a relaxing and luxurious environment. The walk-in wardrobe adds another layer of convenience and customization, offering ample space to organize and display your belongings. Additional bedrooms on this level provide comfort and privacy for family or guests, each with access to outdoor spaces and views that enhance the overall living experience. On the ground floor, the home offers a versatile space that can be customized to suit your lifestyle. Whether it's storing water sports equipment, bikes, or even creating a personal gym, this area adds a practical element to the property. From here, you can step out to the summer kitchen and outdoor dining area, a perfect spot for entertaining or relaxing with family. The pool area is designed for both style and functionality, featuring built-in seating and a layout that encourages social interaction. The hot tub is easily accessible, and the surrounding space offers plenty of room for lounging or creating additional outdoor setups. The garden adds a touch of greenery while remaining easy to maintain, making this home ideal for those who want luxury without excessive upkeep. Finally, the rooftop terrace brings everything together. With panoramic views in every direction, this space feels like a private escape above the city. You can see the iconic skyline of Brickell, the waters of Biscayne Bay, and the lush surroundings of Coconut Grove all at once. It's a space full of potential, whether you envision it as a relaxing lounge, a fitness area, or an entertainment hub. This home represents a unique blend of modern design, practical living, and an unbeatable location. It's perfect for someone looking to transition from a high-end condo to a more private, yet equally connected lifestyle, or for anyone who appreciates the walkable charm and natural beauty of Coconut Grove.